Hey guys, welcome back to the series of Python programming. In this lecture, we are going to learn the string indexing and string slicing. So let's get started. Okay, to start this, I'll create a variable with name myString and equal to string hello world. So notice that there is a space in between hello and world. And just to make sure, I'll say myString. So we have hello world. And now, I want to grab a single character from the string. In that case, I'll be using the indexing. So we'll call the variable name and we will have the square brackets. And in the square brackets, I need to put the index value of the character which we want to grab. Let's suppose I want to grab h. So I'll pass 0 because indexing starts from 0. So if I run this, I'll get h. And now let's try to grab another character. Let it be w. Let me count this. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice that space will be counted and the index value for w is 6. So if I pass 6 in the brackets, that should return w. So perfect. Now let me grab d, which is the last letter of my string. Instead of counting the index from 0, we can also grab the letter d using the negative indexing. So in that case, the negative index value will be -1. So I'll pass -1 in the brackets and this returns me d. So you can use both positive indexing and negative indexing positions to grab the characters from the string. Okay, let's go ahead and discuss about slicing. So it is grabbing a subsection of the string and it means that you have to grab more than one character. And now to demonstrate about slicing, I would like to change the value in my string. So it will be my string is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. A sequence of alphabets. And now I have the string of alphabets. So I want to grab a subsection of this string. So the subsection of a string will be a string that started at particular index and then went all the way to the end. So this is my substring I want to grab, and the way I could do that is we would say my string square brackets and then I need the starting index. So I'll start at D and go to the end. So D is an index at 3 because A is 0, B is 1, C is 2 and D is 3. And now I'll say colon. So that indicates starting with the index 3. And next to the colon, I'll not give any value and it goes all the way to the end because we did not mention any index after the colon. It is supposed to go all the way to the end. And if I run this, I'll get the values from D to M. And now let's suppose I want to grab A, B, C, D. So my string of 0 colon and for the index D is 3. So I will say 0 colon 3. So what do you think the output will be? Will it give ABCD? So it's actually no, because while slicing, the stop index value will not be included. So if you want to grab the letter D, you should mention the next index which will not come into consideration. So that is my string of 0 is to 4. And this gives us the expected value, that is A, B, C, D. So let me use some negative indexing. Suppose I want to grab from the first element to the last second element using negative indexing. That will be my string of, so the start value will be null, that means I will not give any start value, and colon -1. So if there is no start value given, it indicates that we need to go from 0 index position and stop index value is -1, which is the last index value which will not be included, and it gives back all the elements except the last letter. So till now we have not used the step argument in this function. So let's suppose I want to grab the odd positions in the string, that is A, C, E and so on. So I'll say my string of, I need to use the square brackets, and I need to start from the 0 index position. So 0 colon, and I need to go all the way to the end. So I'll not mention the stop value. And now we need the step value. That is, it should jump for the second character for every character it prints. That means if it first takes A, it should jump for the second character after A, that is B, and then to C. And it will print C, and again to E, and so on. So the step value will be 2. So the final command will be my string of 0 colon and colon again colon 2. So this gives the odd place characters in the string. And if you want, you can remove this 0, which will give you the same answer. And now to print the even place characters in the string, we will just start with the index value 1, that is my string of 1 colon colon 2. So it will give the even places in the given string. So that's about indexing and slicing. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.